So that's new Ford F-150, $70,000 truck. Since the beginning I've sensed something weird about the gas pedal. I felt like it vibrated or changed the position by itself, and well, I had an opportunity to take a look at it finally, and here's what I see. That whole assembly is not even properly attached. I can turn that bolt with my bare hands. So what else? Well, brake pedal seems to be okay. Guys, this is insane. Ford, are you going to kill someone with that eventually? I just realized there are additional bolts there, and none of these 3 bolts is actually tightened. None of them. Who was that idiot who assembled this truck? Someone actually had to verify it, right? And they didn't feel that? Oh my god. Ford.